So last week was one of my best week trading. I got a lot of entries from gold, like on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. But I'm going to only explain the buy I had on Monday and the sell I had on Friday. That's the NFP news. So let's just head into it. So this is currently the daily time frame, and on Monday, what happened on Monday is that there was a bullish candle that formed on Monday. This daily time frame, this particular bullish candle is the one that formed on Monday. So I traded off of that bullish candle. I anticipated the move, I predicted it, and it happened. So what actually happened was this. If you look far back, there was a kind of a resistance zone right here that turned into a support at this point. So I brought out my tool and marked this zone right here. So when I marked this zone, I now saw that there was also a downtrend going on. Remember, this was on Monday. I noticed that there was, apart from this one, I noticed that there was a downtrend going on, and that was really nice. That was cool. I was looking at it. Going down to the 4 hours time frame, I saw a very familiar chart pattern. Most of you might know it. That's the invert head and shoulder. If you're a price action trader, you should understand what an invert head and shoulder means. Invert head and shoulder is a chart pattern that shows a bullish reversal. That means market reversing from the downside to the upside. That's from a bearish side to a bullish side. And looking at this now, the way this inverted and shoulder is on a very good, it's resting on a very good support level. It's on a very good support level. Let me just outline that. This inverted and shoulder was resting on a very good support level. This is what it looks like. So viewing this chart pattern now and on this support level, I knew that it just bounced on the support level, and price is going to spike up, price is going to move to the upside. And looking at this, there was a trend line, and what happened was that I anticipated that the price was going to break out on the trend line. So what I traded here was just a chart pattern and also a trend line breakout. That's just pure price action with some support zones going on right here. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame. So yeah, this is the 1 hour time frame. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, we can get more confirmations going on. We can see more things. We can see more candles. Remember, on the daily time frame, we saw a very good downtrend. Then on the 4 hours time frame, we started seeing our confirmations or our confluence that the market is going to be bullish. Let me just shift this a little bit. So yeah, that's just it. This is the 1 hour time frame right now. So let's go down to the 30 minutes time frame. So now this is the 30 minutes time frame. And remember, this is the move, this is the buy move that happened on Monday. On my channel, I posted everything there. I posted everything on my WhatsApp channel. So the link is in the description, so you can just check it out. So yeah, this was the support zone that was going on. This was the resistance zone. Normal price action, there's no stress in it. Just keep everything simple. Trend line, chart pattern, candlestick pattern, support zones, and the rest, resistance zone, support and resistance. Trading is not actually really stressful. It's just you traders that make it stressful. Just keep everything simple. So looking at this now, this move, I call this move around early hours of in the morning, like Nigerian time, around 3 a.m. So what triggered me to buy was a particular familiar candlestick that I call the Maribozu. This Maribozu candle on a 30 minutes time frame closed above the resistance zone. And here's a tip I want to tell you: the 30 minutes time frame is very good for candlestick confluence, or any confluence at all. It's very good. 30 minutes time frame is the best time frame for candlestick confluence. So looking at this now, I spotted this Maribozu candle. I spotted this candle. Then I was not very confident that price is actually going to go up, because why? My Maribozu candle is a candle that doesn't have any wick, and as you can see on this particular candle, there is no down wick on it. There is no wick right here. That means that there is bullish pressure in the market, and that is even a bullish candle. That shows that there is bullish pressure in the market. So what did I do? As price broke above the support zone, we're just trading normal price action. I entered the buy. Very simple. Entered the buy. I didn't even target much. I just target under the candle, because anything I make it to reverse, then the candle was not valid. So I just target under the candle. I just targeted the next zone. I didn't target much. The next zone, that was right here, because I wasn't expecting to go this much. Again, I just targeted this zone here. That's to show you the power of this particular candle. Okay, looking at this now, that's not the only Maribozu candle. There is another second Maribozu candle. Just go understand candlesticks, then you know what I'm talking about. There's a second Maribozu candle right here. You see, there is no wick. Any candle that has no wick is a Mariposa candle, and it was still showing bullish pressure. That's why price made a high, a very good high that Monday. So I hope you understand this particular trade. There's nothing complicated about it. It's not really complex. That was the trade right there. Just smashed our take profits very fast. I took other trades. This was Tuesday, this was Wednesday, this was Thursday, then this is the Friday's one. Okay, this particular Friday one, I acted upon the same Mariposa candle. This candlestick pattern is going to really help you, because anytime you see this Mariposa candle, so that price wants to reverse, like it wants to, a very very clear move is about to happen. So if you can spot the Mariposa candle on chat, you just tell me, put it down in the comment section. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. So look at this now. At this point right there, that is a bearish Mariposa candle. And what the price do? Price made that Mariposa candle and closed below this particular area of interest. That area of interest, it closed below there. So I didn't enter at once, but even if you entered at once, there's no problem. I didn't enter because I was waiting for the NFP news. I wanted to just trade the news. So spotting that candle, I now knew that yes, this news is going to be bearish. There's going to be a bearish move. This particular candle you are seeing right here, that's the NFP candle. I entered upon the NFP candle. This particular bearish candle you're seeing, that's the NFP candle. I entered on it, and price pushed down, also pushed back up to upside to retest that area of interest before it started going down. I now targeted this particular liquidity zone to be my take profit, but eventually price broke through it and was still selling. It broke through it, it even retested on the zone, and it still went back to the downside. That's showing the power of this particular candle. So just understand price action. Price action just has to do with trend line, chart pattern, support and candlestick pattern. Know your candlestick, because you will not be able to understand the chart if you don't know what the candlestick is doing. Know your candlesticks well, so you understand what the market is actually doing, what's actually going to happen in the market. So let me just show you another instance of this Mariposa candle again. Just one more, because that's what I've been using to trade all along. And this Mariposa candle, they have really good momentum. They have really good momentum in the market. Once you see them, you know that yeah, the market is about to skyrocket. Something's about to happen in the market. Let me just look for another one. Let's go to the previous week to check for that candle, that Mariposa candle. Okay, look at this right here now. Look at this. Just look at this. Okay, this is the first Mariposa candle, isn't it? That's the first one. There's no wick there, as you can see. The second one, there's no wick there. Even the third one, there's no wick there. That is showing you buy pressure. When there's no wick under, that is, you are supposed to be looking for buys. When there's no wick above, you are looking for sales. Okay, look at this now. Even this bearish candle, there was no wick under. This is enough confirmation for you to start stacking your buys. Price bounced on this particular trend line, going to the upside. You saw this Mariposa candle. Simply just enter a trade after a close. You can enter from here, you can enter from here. But if you're looking for buys, it's better to spot a Mariposa candle on a bullish candle you get. So this gave almost over like 1,600 and let's call it 1,050 pips. Then stop loss, there was no drawdown, zero drawdown. Like look at this, you're actually risking nothing. So once you understand this candlestick pattern, your life, your trading, everything will be more simple. You have to know what you're doing. You cannot just enter and be like taking trades. Look at this now, very good. Different Mariposa candle, like up to 3 of them. So just whatever you do, understand how the candlestick work, how support and stand work. Understand these things, and trading is going to be a lot simpler. How did they say it? Just keep working hard in your trading. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this.